So Mmarona slept with Bonko, and not just once, but twice. And she was also able to face Owetu and pretend like nothing happened between her and Bonko. Guys, is this really happening, or someone on this show is dreaming? I want to talk about this and more here on this video, but before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Okay guys, I know that you probably know about this scene right here, and on this scene, Mmarona and Bonko shared a moment in studio, and by a moment, I mean Mmarona's private part collaborated with Bonko's private part, and I think Bonko failed here. He failed dismally. He should have been a smart man and not allow temptations like Mmarona to get him out of his way. I mean, Bonko and Mmarona make a beautiful couple. Hear me out on that one, but they cannot be together. Mmarona and Bonko are toxic for each other. I mean, after so much secrecy, I don't think that Bonko will be able to trust Mmarona ever again. So being with her is very dangerous. And I repeat, they cannot get back together. In fact, besides being dangerous for each other, these people can't do this to Owetu. Come on guys. I was so offended on this scene. So in this scene, Owetu visits Mmarona to apologize for accepting Bonko's engagement. And at that moment, Mmarona was with Bonko, and look at Mmarona pretending like nothing happened. Like she pretends like Bonko is not in that house. And Bonko was but even worse, after that whole thing, he also goes to Owetu and pretends like he doesn't know that Owetu was in that house. Look, I am a gent, but still, I don't think Owetu deserves what Bonko is doing to her. And I have noticed on my previous video that I posted about this topic that you guys support Bonko and Mmarona's cheating. So do comment in the comment section again. Share your thoughts and opinions with regard to Mmarona, Bonko, and Owetu's love triangle. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribe, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.